Jiagu Ralead registered, started in Zhengzhou Huayu Adhesive Factory established in 1997, focusing on the R&D, production and sales of adhesive. Our Baofeng High-Tech Zone factory covers an area of 37,000 square meters, with a construction area of 45,000 square meters, and has modern production lines with an annual production capacity of 50,000 tons. The products cover 10 major materials such as silicone, modified silane, polyurethane, epoxy, anaerobic, acrylate, CR, SBS, PVC, ABS, etc., and more than 300 products, which are widely used in aerospace, rail transit, automobiles, vehicles, and photovoltaic new energy, building curtain wall and decoration projects. The company has passed ISO 9001, SGS, CE, O, TUV and other certifications, has a bonding technology with independent intellectual property rights and invention patents and technological achievements. It is a high-tech enterprise in China, and listed on the Shanghai Equity Exchange Center in 2015. Customer application cases. China AVIC Electronics Group used for China Space Station. CRRC Group used for high-speed rail